As an individual who is fond of natural creations, hiking has been my therapy to cope up with boredom and stress. Here in this video, I want to share our experience while exploring the beautiful mountain found in Igbaras, province of Iloilo, which is known for its magnificent rock formation adorning the summit. This mountain is called Mount Napulak, with an elevation of 1,239 meters above sea level. The day started with a heavy rain. Our original plan was to travel to Ibaras at 3 a.m. in the morning, but ended up traveling at 5. Morning guys! Now we are here. Manul. At the town of Igbaras, we settled some fees and registrations. After that, we then set off to travel to the jump-off point. At the jump-off point, we paid local fees and registered our names in a record book. Our guide also gave us some points to remember before commencing our trek. After a while, we started our hike, headed by our tour guide who knows everything about our destination. Along the way, we passed by plenty of water sources, including the ones being used for irrigation system for farmlands. There is also a source of potable water, which is safe for drinking, and I think that being thirsty is not a problem while exploring this mountain. As we ascend to a much higher elevation, I could feel a big difference in air temperature. We were also greeted by a massive fog covering the mountain. Lapit na lang kami guys. Lapit na lang kami mabuang. Kabay pa final rin dyan. Nagutom din kami. Though we were exhausted, it was worth an experience as we finally reached the top of Mount Napulak, adorned by a massive rock formation, giving the summit its magnificent beauty. Lunchtime, everyone. I tried flying my drone to take an aerial shot of the summit, but I decided to dismiss it after an unsuccessful attempt due to bad weather. Paano? Despite having a difficulty at the top, we tried climbing the Nipple rock formation to experience a 360 view of the area. It was a struggle due to strong wind, and we don't want to waste this opportunity because things like this don't happen every day. Welcome to Mount Napulak! Woo! Ano mambal nyo kayo nakagto kamagya?
So very happy, it's very cold. Kaping!
Yun, nasa yun. Uy, ano ka? Tatamaw ka. As the weather condition starts to get worse, we decided to descend the summit and prepare to go home. It was an experience that some of us jokingly promised not to come back anymore, while some want to hike again as long as the weather is good the next time around. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support our future uploads. This is Miko, your friendly wanderer, and this is Wonderverse.